assembly design. This is an assembly design, right? Okay, of the housing here is actually designed using this freeform method, right? And because it has the ability to work together in the assembly, and all this is a different part of the assembly, you can also support animation. Right? Like, okay, you can see if I drag and then the animation is there, right? So not just that animation, all the component there, right? This is component there, connecting rod, right? So it also supports simulation. So that part itself, I said I want to study how strong by putting the force here, whether this will fail or not. So, and there are more, the list just go on and on. There's also the machining capability, right? So if I want to do a simulating of the cutting tool and the machine tool files, right? So I can show me the stock, and in the stock as transparent manner, right? And just show the cutting tool cut, right? So you can do